So one of the main things that we study is how T cells of the immune system fuel their function. T cells are soldiers of the immune system that help to fight off various invaders such as viruses and bacteria, but also help our bodies fight cancer. And so one of the main things that powers T cells to allow them to do their function is metabolism. And so T cells use a number of different fuel sources in order to power their function. One of the key findings from our study is that we've identified some new and interesting fuels that actually help T cells perform better. To our surprise, some of these fuels like lactate and beta-hydroxybutyrate are actually metabolites that are freely found in our body but are normally thought of as metabolic waste products. So we know that T cells like to use certain nutrients such as glucose and glutamine, and normally we think of this as a very simple breakfast of toast and eggs. What we found from this study is that T cells actually have at their disposal a complete buffet, and they like to use different fuels in order to power their function. T cells are soldiers of the immune system that help to fight off various invaders such as viruses and bacteria, but also help our bodies fight cancer. Why we think this is important is we want to find what powers T cells so we can better optimize T cell function. This is really important in the context of cancer therapies. Some of the greatest breakthroughs in cancer therapies are what we call immunotherapies. These are drugs that we give patients that actually allow patients to harness the power of their immune system to fight cancer. If we can combine those powerful therapeutics along with knowledge of what helps to fuel and power T cells properly, we think we can harness and usher in a new wave of cancer therapies.